To set and volume keys as color guidelines in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select advanced settings, and then tap set and volume up keys. You must turn on set and volume up keys first. Tap switch until on. If off, tap switch until on or until blue, and then select color lines. Tap switch color line switch until blue, and then disable other option. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.